chief. He does it all. That's Josh Lundy in the 11 car. As the lights on the car corner pace car go out, we are going racing this next time around as the Sportsmen are getting ready to run 8 laps for their heat race. So we'll see how these double-duty drivers do tonight as the one sitting on the outside of row 1. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's Memely and Schinderling going door to door in turns 1 and 2. Dobbs, the Dobber, working his way into that 3rd spot. The 64 of Daryl Gerke. Rounding off your top 4. Watch out for the wagon, the 21, Cody Houseware.
The 3-car former Roadrunner track champion here, jumped in the Sportsman this year. Definitely says it's more of a challenge than the Roadrunners, just looking for some speed now. That's the 3 of Kevin Memely, dropping back to 3rd. As the drivers are all shooting from the outside lane now.
Yeah, it's the fast lane on a good night like tonight. Rich Schinderling in that 68, holding pace. The Dobber and Derek Dobbs now in that 2nd spot. Battle is for 3rd, the 03, or check it, the 3 of Kevin Memely and the 21 of Cody Houseworth. That wagon's worked its way up.
Yeah, Wagon, he's definitely improving each and every week. Had troubles earlier in the year. Definitely he's got it dialed in. Looks much better tonight here.
Well, Rich Schinderling starting to pull away for the Bargain Hunter Sportsman. Dobbs in 2nd. Memely now in a battle with the 21 of Cody Houseworth for that 3rd spot.
Here comes John Featherston on the inside of Daryl Gerke for that 5th spot there. As we are a little bit past the halfway point now for the Bargain Hunter Sportsman division.
Schinderling still holding pace in the 1st spot. Dobbs getting a little squirrely in that 5. We'll see if Kevin Memely in the 03 can catch him. And Cody Houseworth, that wagon right there as well in the 4th.
Featherston still looking to the inside of Gerke. We'll see what he does this time around. Houseworth looking to the inside of Memely as well. This time by, we're going to get the white flag. This time by for Rich Schinderling.
1 to go. Schinderling, Dobbs, Memely, Houseworth. Gerke, your top 5, as Featherston trying to squeak his way in there.
Yeah, they've been side by side here just about the whole race as Featherston's looked his inside, but it ain't going to do it this time. As Rich Schinderling's going to bring it home in 1st, 2nd to Derek Dobbs, 3rd to Kevin Memely, 4th to Cody Houseworth, and 5th to Daryl Gerke.
Bush Jewelers, Kelly's Grooming, Custom Feeder, Sam's Drive-In, Checkered Flag Auto Sales, prime sponsors for this 2010 Dodge Challenger.
Eric, wouldn't that be cool if every time he won, like Bush Jewelers gave away like free, free ring or a necklace or something?
It would be awesome. He's got 1 feature win. It's his 3rd heat win. Let's give it up for the Winnebago, Illinois native, the 68 of Rich Schinderling.